Good, so starting from the left, here we have Sintratec PA12 material. This is a mechanically very strong and resistant material which is basically used for 90% of the entire industry. In addition, we have this material research preview we are presenting at FormNext 2019 live. So we will have soon PA12 material carbon filled. We will soon have polypropylene material ready. So you can see this is a typical industrial plastic, which is in use for many different kind of applications. We will soon have glass-filled polyamide 12. This is perfect for tooling, especially very hard and very, very dense. And of course, Sintratec TPE, a highly flexible material where we can use the entire power of this technology by creating flexible parts.